Welcome back. Now, in order to go live and receive real money from people, you need to change the sandbox environment into the live environment. So you need to head on over to your PayPal developer account and then click or select the live environment, and then you will find all of your apps. Click on the app that you created. So I'm going to click on my app, and then you will find your PayPal account as well as your client ID. What we need is your client ID. So you need to copy your client ID. You need to copy it. And then what you need to do is that you need to paste your client ID, your live client ID, instead of this client ID, instead of the sandbox client ID. So you need to remove this from here. We have here client hyphen ID is equal to, and then we have this client ID. So you need to remove this, and you have to be very careful. You need to remove only the client ID, and then you will have here equals to, and then and. Between these, you need to paste your live client ID. So I'm going to go back to PayPal, and then I'm going to copy my client ID, my live client ID, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to come back to you. So as you can see, I have pasted my live client ID here. As you can see here, client hyphen ID is equal to, and then my live client ID, and then and currency. So make sure that you get this right. If you don't get this right, it's not gonna work. So you need to, again, you need to paste your live client ID here in this location. And so let's now test. Let me add something to cart as usual. For example, this. And then I'm gonna check out. And then I'm gonna fill out the form. And then I'm gonna click on checkout. Now, I want you to pay attention to what's gonna happen when I click on PayPal's button. Let me click on PayPal's button. So as you can see now, the difference is that the URL is paypal.com. Before, it was sandbox.paypal.com. Now, PayPal is using the real and the original URL, meaning that if I log in now and pay, real money will be transferred from my account to the owner of this website's account. So now payment is in the, or PayPal is in the live environment. It's very important to distinguish between the live and testing environment. And now, before you go ahead and change the environment from testing to live, you need to be ready, because if you get an order, you need to start the process of delivering the products. So I'd recommend waiting and being prepared before changing the environment from testing to live.